Breaking news out of Pakistan at this hour, where the Supreme Court has declared the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan illegal and ordered his release. Security was tight ahead of his appearance after 2 days of nationwide protests over his arrest. Imran Khan appeared in another court on Wednesday and was remanded in custody for 8 days. He faces multiple charges, including corruption. These are live pictures from outside the court in Islamabad, where Osama bin Javid is for us. Osama, there's been a bit of action in the last few minutes outside of the court there. Tell us about what's been happening. Osama bin Javid, can you hear me? Okay, we are having connection issues with our correspondent Osama bin Javid, but that's a live picture outside of the court in Pakistan, Islamabad, Pakistan, where the High Court just moments ago declared the arrest of former Prime Minister Imran Khan illegal and ordered his release. There seems to have been some clashes between Imran Khan's supporters and security forces outside of the court there in Islamabad. These are the latest pictures that are coming into us. We'll update you on the situation once we establish connection with our correspondent, Osama bin Javid, who's outside the court.